Hi friends, welcome to the show. This is your host Raja, Desilifecoach. Today we're gonna talk about God's advice and nature. There was once a Guruji and his disciple. The disciple went to the Guruji and asked, I wanted to feel God. I wanted to hear His voice. So the Guruji said, go up to the mountain, sit there under this tree. You close your eyes, you will feel and you will hear God. So the disciple went up the hill and sat under the tree and doing what his Guruji has told him. Later that evening, he came back and met the Guruji. And the Guruji asked, did you seek? Did you get what you seek? The disciple said, I am sorry Guruji, I couldn't feel. And the Guruji said, yes, I saw. When you are in your meditation, I came and saw. While climbing up the mountain, I feel the fresh air touching me. And I knew God has sent the wind and telling us He still exists. And before I came near to you, I saw a lot of birds chirping. And I knew that the God is commanding to the bird that I am here in their own language, but we fail to understand. So friends, like this, nature is very big. If we want to know about God, look at the nature, look at a tree, the engineering of a tree. We pour a cup of water to a tree. Have you ever seen the top peak leaf in the tree gets its water maybe 10 times or 50 times more height than you and me? How is this possible? It is just a wood, but yet it takes the best nourishment out of it. This is the God's power. So, look at the sea, how big it is, how it keeps stopping. Once it moves its line, it's a tsunami. Yet, God protects us, making the nature where it has to be. So friends, I am sure this wisdom which I heard, I've read, and coming with my own is beneficial to you. And from heart to heart, I want to take the best of this message and make it as in a life which is beneficial to you and to all and to the society. This is your host Raja. Please do comment, subscribe and share. I wish, I pray for a wonderful, fabulous day. And I'll see you very soon with another episode. Thank you.